This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning. Thursday. High pressure will then build across the area for Friday into early Saturday, before pushing offshore Saturday night. Another frontal boundary will push through the area on Sunday. Hazard. Tests of this signal. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated. All hazards warning device for station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service. The weekly test. W. A warm front man. The area late Monday. NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device. And especially the warning alarm bells are in any given location. This variability is normally more noticeable from the transmitter. Perfect working order. The warning alarm conducted by the National Weather Service and warning from the County 11 in marine areas near the city of Philadelphia. Pennsylvania. Test time. The test is pushed upon Montgomery, Philadelphia. Reception of this broadcast and especially the warning alarm tone. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device for stations in Hamburg, New Jersey. During the test, the warning alarm tone will be especially for warnings automatic in marine areas of the central and southern New Jersey from Burlington. National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between waters from San Diego to about 40 nautical miles. Uses the regional weather synopsis. And especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. Another frontal boundary will push through the area on Sunday, followed by high pressure once again early next week. And warnings for the following counties in northern New Jersey, eastern New York State, and northeast Pennsylvania in New Jersey, Virgin Essex, Hunterdon, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. In Pennsylvania, Monroe, Northampton, Pike and Wayne, and in New York, Orange, Rockland, and Sullivan. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ 31 in Hamburg, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. At 11 a.m., at Sussex Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 71 degrees, the dew point 56 degrees.